Hello everyone. In this video, I'll discuss about few terms. Those are related to the limited companies. So whenever any business runs as a private limited company or public limited company, these are the terms which will be used in that context. First of all, there is this document, Article of Association, which has to be submitted by the company. And this document contains the internal workings and the control of the business. For example, the name of the directors and the procedures to be followed at meetings. Those are annual general meetings held every year. Second document which limited companies have to submit is Memorandum of Association. Now this document states the name of the company, the address of the head office through which it will be contacted, and the maximum number of shares which will be issued by the company and the declared aims of the business. When businesses will complete these documents, Article of Association and Memorandum of Association, they would submit those documents to the registrar of the company, and after the inspection of these documents, a registrar would allow them the certificate of incorporation, which means that that company has been documented with the government department, and they'll be issued a license and they can work as a private limited company or public limited company. Whenever anyone wants to invest in limited companies, they have to buy shares. Now, what does it mean that they have bought shares? It is not something you will get in the physical form. It would be a certificate which will show that you have part ownership in the company. If I have bought 10% shares of the company, it means that my certificate would show that I have 10% ownership in that company. Now, shareholders, all those people, those invest in any company, either private limited company or public limited company, they would be called shareholders. So shareholders are basically the owners of the company. Whenever people invest in any company, those shareholders look for something in return, and that return is basically profit. So dividend is the term which we use for the profit of the shareholders. Prospectus is a written document which has to be sent at the end of the year to all the shareholders that would show income statement, statement of financial position, performance over the year of the company, so that shareholders would be informed that what is happening in the company. Annual general meeting is held every year, and the purpose is to discuss the future plans of the business as well as selection of the board of directors. Now, who are these board of directors? Board of directors is a team of people those run the company on the daily basis. And shareholders select these board of directors by voting, by the process of voting. And these board of directors can be shareholders, and these can be outsiders. Those would be contesting for this board of directors. I hope you understand these terms related to the limited companies. Thank you for watching the video. Happy learning.